Alright, let's go through Futureproof application. So this is a basic tutorial how to use this app. First, let's go through the introduction slides. Next, you'll be served 16 job categories. Click Heart if you like it, or click X if you don't like it. Alright, now you have answered these. The app will give you job ads from these categories you just liked. Click if you like them or not, and you can read the description and the requirements below. So just basically select Heart if you feel that you wanted to work in these kind of areas or these kind of jobs. And when you have answered enough questions, you get the continue button and you can continue further. Or you can continue selecting these jobs and make your profile even more precise. Now, clicking continue. Here are the dream skills that has been built by the machine. Now you can go through it, and if there is something you don't actually like, you can just remove it here. This is a long list, but could also open your eyes. When you are done, click continue. Now you have your dream profile for the app. Now it's time to define your current skills. Start by typing your current job title. Alright, let's remove the keyboard. And now you'll be given the skill set of this title, like an archetype. You could also delete skills here now if you want. You can expand your current skill set by selecting your previous job title. And now when you select it, it sums up to the previous skills from the other job title. Now you can continue if you have other positions, or click continue. And now the AI is calculating your skill map. In the skill map there will be different colors for your dream skills and your current skills, and another color for the area that is common. So basically now you can zoom in by pinching. So green area is something that you have and it is in your dream skill profile also. Then there's the orange area that are your current skills. And then there's the biggest area, the blue, that are your dream skills. And that is actually the interesting area here. So you can start checking out what kind of skill clusters are there. System development or servers, or for me it could be interesting. Production management, maintenance, heating. Anyway, now you can see all kinds of skills and possibilities what are there. And the next step here, when you have checked out this map, is to click the next, and you will be served with training courses that are sort of calculated that would be optimal for you to reach your goals, to reach your dream skill set. So here you can see a list of skills, hands-on science in computing, and the skill set that you could acquire by applying to this course. Click open if you want to read more about the course. So basically this is the workflow. Understanding your dream, understanding your current skill set, and then figuring out what could be the perfect path to take to reach your dream skill set. And now, finally, you can open the menu bar. You could create a new profile, then you lose this one. So basically you can do different kind of studies, build different profiles, and this is like a gamified approach. We would love to have a feedback, so give feedback. It's the bottom one. Click there. You can choose the smile face and then type something in open field. What's the experience? This was it. Thank you very much for watching.